On August 5, the Royal Thai Air Force, RTAF, officially confirmed the future procurement of Saab JAS 39 Gripen E and F multirole fighter jets to enhance its air combat capabilities. The Thai government has approved an initial order of 4 aircraft, with deliveries beginning by 2029 as part of a broader program targeting a total of 12 jets by 2035. This decision follows a growing emphasis on strengthening national airspace defense and replacing aging platforms. According to the RTAF, the integration of next-generation Gripen fighters represents a continued commitment to greater autonomy in air operations and a continued partnership with Saab. Thailand currently operates 12 Gripen C/D aircraft delivered between 2011 and 2013, based at Wing 7 in Surat Thani. These fighters form the backbone of the RTAF combat fleet, supported by Saab 340 AEW&C aircraft and a network-centric command system. Operational use of the Gripen has included maritime patrols, air defense, and joint exercises, but the recent conflict near the Cambodian border has shifted focus. On the 26th of July 2025, Gripen C jets carried out airstrikes against Cambodian artillery near the Preah Vihear region, marking their first confirmed combat use in Thai service. The effectiveness of the Gripen C/D in that engagement demonstrated the need for upgraded systems with extended range and advanced electronic warfare capabilities. This played a key role in accelerating government approval of the E/F acquisition program.